Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Roxy if you guys are new. In this video, I'm just going to be styling my hair, my relaxed hair, short relaxed hair, grown up pixie. If you guys are subscribed to my channel, you will know me as the girl who has a short pixie cut. I style and maintain my pixie cut at home. However, during my pregnancy, I've been growing out my hair, growing out my pixie, and it's been about, I want to say, at least a year and some change. The last time I cut my hair was around maybe March, April 2025. I've been keeping up with my relaxer, however, and I've been doing a lot of cuts and trims in between just to maintain the health and the shape of my hair. So to wash my hair, I use the Care Hydrating Detangling Shampoo and their conditioner that comes with it, which is the Humecto conditioner. I'm going to leave all the products in the description box below because I cannot remember them off the top of my head, but I'll also show you as well. Now, my hair definitely needs a trim in this video. I'm going to be cutting my hair in the future, cutting it into a much shorter bob. Also, I'm going back to my pixie cut because that is my signature look. I feel so good in that style. I feel so comfortable. I just feel like that's me, but I am having fun with the little bit of length that I have. And I'm just trying to show myself how much my hair can grow, and I'm trying to keep it healthy in the meantime as well. Well, I mean, like, minus the processing of the relaxer. So I'm definitely experiencing postpartum shedding. My son is 6 months now, so the postpartum has been kicking in, like the postpartum shedding, I should say. Also, I just took out some braids, so there was a lot of tension around my hairline mixed with the postpartum shedding and hair loss. So that was not a good combination, but we're going to tackle that. We're going to get through it, and we're just going to, just work with it. So after washing my hair, I obviously used heat protector and I used a lot of leave-in conditioner. In this video, I did let my hair air dry overnight because I wasn't able to do my hair in one shot, one kill. Like, I wasn't able to blow dry it and style it right after coming out the shower. Life just got busy. So to blow dry my hair, I am using like a round brush blow dryer. And the blow dryer I did receive from a friend. And I believe Revlon has the actual version of it. The one I'm using is like a knockoff version, which is neither here nor there. But it's just something that I do use a lot on my hair. And to straighten my hair or to curl it, I'm using the Chi Lava in the size 1 inch. So this is a ceramic flat iron. It doesn't have a temperature control, so it does heat up to about 450. So I was very sure to give my hair one pass as I was curling it. And for this style, I'm over curling it because I want it to have like a really tight wrap. And I wanted my flat iron to last a really long time. Throughout this video, I was kind of trying to show you guys how much my hair needed a trim and a cut. I've been cutting it over the months and trimming it. However, I wasn't able to really look into the back and look into the detail. And I know that in the back of my head, I have a quote unquote hole where like there's a spot in the middle of the back of my head that's really breaking. And I believe that's from laying on my back or resting my head against my wooden headboard. In my opinion, it could be something else, but I do find that I rest on the back of my head a lot, so I do have like a little bit of a hole, which is like a shorter gap in my hair, and I do need a proper cut and a proper trim. I also rinsed my hair jet black about maybe 3 weeks ago. No, maybe 2 weeks ago when I did my relaxer. So I'm just over curling my hair, and I'm not going to keep it as tight as it is. This is just going to set the foundation before I finally wrap my hair. And before I wrap my hair, I'm just going to take some Blue Magic hair and scalp conditioner. And this is just going to add a little bit of protection, add some sheen to my hair as well, so it doesn't feel so dry, and it kind of helps to weigh down the hair a little bit so it doesn't fly away as easily. So I'm just distributing that all throughout my hair, and if I had a paddle brush, I would use a paddle brush, but the closest thing I had to that was a Tangle Teaser brush. So I'm just using the Tangle Teaser brush to wrap my hair. So I'm really just combing out all the curls and I'm wrapping my hair into a circular motion. And this is like the typical wrap when you have like a silk press or like a press to preserve it for the night before. But this is also going to relax the tight curls that I put into my hair because we don't want it so very tight. So this is something that I do every night before I go to bed while I'm trying to like stretch out this curl or this flat iron, and it helps for like a smoother style. It helps your hair look put together when you unwrap it in the morning, and it also helps to seal in your ends to reduce any breakage. So to wrap my hair, I just use a wrap cap, and this wrap cap I got from Silky Wraps. I'll also leave that in the description box below. They have different size wrap caps. A wider one would have been better for my hair. They do have a wider one as well, but I did lose mine. And on top of the wrap cap, I put my head tie or head scarf over it just to kind of contain everything. If I didn't already put on a little bit of makeup, then I would use the time that my hair is wrapped to, do some makeup and get dressed just to kind of have my hair set in the meantime. So you can pretty much wrap your hair with anything. When you're at the salon, the stylist will typically wrap your hair with some saran wrap and put you under a hooded dryer. But this is just like a fast version of that, or just another alternative in itself. So loosening up my hair with a fine tooth comb just to, unwrap everything. And as you can see, the curls are not going to be as tight as they were when I did curl it, which is what I was going for. But I wanted it to still keep its shape and to still have a little bit of a bump. The only thing I can say is that I definitely need a proper cut, a proper trim. I think that would give me a better shape and it would give me more movement and it would allow my hair to look a lot healthier. For those of you who have been watching my channel for a while now, I will definitely be going back to my pixie cut. I will definitely be going back to my pixie cut eventually. It's just a style that I can't run from. It just screams Roxy. It's just so me. I'm so comfortable with it. I've been wearing my hair in a pixie cut for a long time. But I just want to grow my hair out for a little bit just to see like what I can do with my hair. Just so that, yeah, I don't know, just to have a little bit of fun and to switch it up a bit and to do different styles for now. But I will be doing my pixie cut once I am completely over it and completely done with this stage of my journey. Yeah, so I'm just playing around once I unwrap it. Ultimately, I did like the side part, but I just want to see what it would look like in different styles, like a middle part or a part on the other side. So really, I just play around with the wrap to see, like what it's giving. And just after zhuzhing it around a little bit, playing with it, tucking it behind my ear, left side, right side, fluffing it, I was able to just, land on a style that fit me the best. This wash and flat iron lasted me, I would say, about 4 5 days. In my opinion, if I go to my bed without my hair wrapped, then my hair is no longer will not last any longer after that, and I have to start the process all over again. So the best way to maintain this is to wrap your hair every night so that the next morning everything will be intact and it'll be like an easy get ready. You just do your makeup and you unwrap your hair, comb it out. You might need to flat iron or bump one side if the other side is not symmetrical with the other. But that's pretty much it. I did touch up my edges, of course, because I do have a little bit of hair loss around my hairline. So I use the Tintation Black Spray, and pretty much that is it. So I can't wait to share more of my grown out pixie hairstyles with you until I cut my hair again in the near future. If you guys found this helpful, please leave me a thumbs up, share with someone who would enjoy this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.